Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a Hindu push-up, and that video is coming up right now. So the Hindu push-up is a fun push-up variation, not the easiest in the world. Hey Hugo, do you want to come and say hello? Say hello. 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 It's my Hugo. Sorry, I knew he'd get involved on this video. So the Hindu push-up, back to the topic, is a really tough little variation of push-ups. But that being said, it can be adapted up and down depending on your level, and I think we should just get straight into it. So to begin with, you're going to get into the yoga position, downward facing dog. Can you do a downward facing dog? You can do a downward facing dog? Ah, there we go. Right, you sit there. Right, a downward facing dog. So that is hips right up in the air. This is going to be fun, isn't it? Hips right up in the air, and you want to try and keep your back as neutral as possible, so straight. So really send those hips up and drop your shoulders. And drop your shoulders. Now, from this position, in order to go into the Hindu push-up side of it, we're going to come down through the arms. We're going to graze the floor with the chest and the head, and then do a cobra stretch. Right, Hugo, you're going to have to move now. All right, mate, bye. Love you. It goes like this. You're going to be here, hands nice and wide, wrists just in front of shoulders, and then you're going to come down, graze the floor, and then come up into cobra, and then you're going to come back exactly the same way you started. Let's go again. So, downward facing dog, wrists in front of shoulders, quite wide. You're going to come down, graze the floor, legs down, back bend up, stretch up, then back the way you came, like so. Now, depending on your level, depends on how easily you're going to be able to go down, and generally at what point you're going to put your legs on the floor, okay? Those who are very good at it, I'm not great at it, those who are very good at it don't have to touch the floor at all with their legs. I have to at some point, but hey, look, you get into that downward facing dog position. Then if you need to go here, just scoop through and then come into the stretch and then scoop back and power yourself back into downward facing dog. That is a perfectly reasonable regression for this exercise as well. And that, my friends, is the Hindu push-up. Thanks for watching. Any questions, put them in the comments. Peace, love, and protein. Ciao, ciao.